Hello viewers, welcome back in new video. In this video, I will show how to backup database from Cpanel and restore in local database. Let's move on. Okay, first of all, you log in your Cpanel, then file section, then backup. Then find out which one you want to backup, then select database. And save your local PC. File is downloading. Then I go to my local server. Already run in exam server in my local PC. Download already complete. First, I extract this file. Extract done. Then I go to my local database. Already have a one database in booking name. Then I drop this database. Just wait. And it refresh. Now create a new database name booking. Then create database create successfully. And then go to export. Then browse. Then select database. Open. Scroll down. Then import. Database importing. Needs some time. It's successfully complete. You can see the all our tabular data is available. I just check my local site is working or not. I check in login. It's working. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel.